Gotta become. Hey everyone, so I am on my way to the nail salon. This may be my last, well, this is gonna be my last nail appointment before baby boy arrives. So I'm gonna get a nice relaxing pedicure and get in the works because my feet are so swollen right now, which same thing happened when I was pregnant with Sefton. My feet like look like elephant feet. So I really need a nice foot massage, and my nails are like all chipped up, so I definitely need to get these done. I'm thinking about doing like a baby blue. I did the same thing for Sefton. It's so funny because the day that I got my nails done, my water broke on my way home. Like, my water broke in the car on my way home from the nail salon, and I went into labor with Sefton. So, yeah, so still pregnant. I know a lot of you have been messaging me on Instagram asking if the baby was here yet, because I've kind of just been like MIA. But as you guys know, Sefton started back school, so I've just been busy doing things around the house, trying to do as much as I can while he's out of the house, and you know, appointments and errands and things like that. So that's what I'm doing today. Did I mention it's Friday? So yeah, I'm also going to the UPS store. I have some packages there that I need to pick up, and I also need to drop off my Nespresso pods for recycling. Hoping I can get the car washed at some point today. And what else? I think that's it. So yeah, I have enough time to stop at my P.O. box first, so that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I'll go to the nail salon. And so yeah, let's go. All right, keys. Be right back. I got 1, 2, 3 Gap packages. We'll open that stuff when I get home. Let's see what we got. Okay. Ivy, I like your polish. That's pretty.
Oh, the hot pink?
Yeah. You usually don't do
The bright pinks or corals and stuff for summertime.
Yeah.
I love the bright one.
All right, guys, so I'm back home and we'll go ahead and open these packages to see what we got. Again, it doesn't say who it's from. Oh, this looks like a little t-shirt. Cute. It's a little onesie Gap t-shirt with a little pocket in the bear. That's so cute. And then, let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness. Is this a little jean jacket? Look, y'all. Look at this little jacket. Oh my goodness. 0 to 6 months. How freaking cute is this? Adorable. He got a little jean jacket. Oh my goodness. It's even got like the little belong to inside. How cute. Oh, who is this from? Man, please DM me or message me or something and tell me who sent this cuteness. Aww, it's a little jogging suit. How cute. It's a little pants with the drawstring and the jacket with the hood. How freaking cute is this? It says Gap right there. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, whoever this is from. Dang it. Please send me a message. So if you sent me any of these items, I don't know if it's all from the same person or from 3 different people, but please, please, please DM me on my Instagram or leave me a message here so that I can thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I also got something that I had picked up last week that I forgot to share with y'all. Hold on. I don't know why I keep sitting on this floor setting myself up, because it is a struggle to get off this floor, let me tell you. But anyway, I received another package from one of you guys. She put a sweet card in here. Hello, Shauna. Just wanted to send you something for the newest addition to y'all family. I've been watching your channel before you had Sefton, and it's been a joy. You probably see me comment in your videos under my name, Laugh Out Loud. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. My IG is, and then she left her IG, with love, Sharice. Thank you, Sharice. So she put Target gift card inside, which is so cute. Little baby shoes that say hello baby. And then she got him a pack of 3 thermal onesies with a button, and they're all in like neutral colors, which I love. So thank you so much. And she also included a pack of these little socks that are so cute. So perfect, perfect, perfect. So thank you, Sharice, so much for the lovely gift and the card. So sweet. And the gift card, we thank you so much. That's pretty much everything that I wanted to share with you all right now. I still have stuff that I'm expecting to come in the mail today. So if that stuff comes before I get ready to upload this video, because I do want to try to have this video up for you guys today, since I didn't really upload anything this week. So yeah, I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. So it's the next day, and we are finally getting ready to get the car seat and base for both cars installed. It has been quite the experience. I have been waiting on them to call me back to schedule an appointment. Never got a call back. Like, I've been trying to do this for like 3 weeks. Finally, I just drove over to the fire department and was like, hey, I haven't gotten a call back. What's going on? And they were like, oh, I'm sorry. You know, they were very apologetic, took down my information and said they would have somebody call me today. And he called today and said that we could come. So we scheduled an appointment to go and do that. So I'm so happy that we're getting ready to kind of get that out of the way. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. And then we'll probably grab some lunch too while we're out. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna be like super hot today. So it's gonna be pretty low key because I can't do the heat right now. Like, I just can't. Cooking along. I feel good today. Still having some like pressure down there, but that's normal. My swelling did go down a little bit, not much. So I do think that the foot massage that I got yesterday during my pedicure did work. So they don't hurt as bad as they did yesterday before I went in. So yeah, I guess I'll bring you guys along with us today. I hope I don't regret this. So yeah, maybe I will, maybe I won't. But anyway.
Okay, nice.
That's really nice. Yeah.
Okay, so they don't, the baby, right? Or
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's cool.
Looks like your canopy and everything's set up proper. And then
Yeah, I
other
was
than
gonna
that,
say then that's the only thing left is kind of just to
the 5 point. Yeah,
make
messing
sure
with
that's
all the.
all good.
Yeah, no. So on the body pillows, we can look on. We can come and show you this.
We got the car seat installation done. Car seat is actually in PK's car because we're going to be using his car once the baby is born to get from the hospital home. But my base is installed, and yeah, so that was like the last thing that we needed to do on our list. I'm so glad that's done. So now we're going to grab something to eat. I'm actually following him. So we gotta go and get some food. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. You guys should definitely follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is always linked below, but follow me there because 9 times out of 10 when he comes, I'm gonna post it there first. So if you guys want to be the first to know, follow me on my Instagram because I'll be sharing it there first. I won't be in a hurry to get the vlog out right after. So follow my Instagram so you'll know when baby boy is here. Are we eating in or? Alright guys, so I got a package in the mail. Just ordered some 2 boxes of Clean Skin bamboo cleansing towels. Let's see. So that's what I was waiting on to come in the mail. So I actually prefer the bamboo over the white, and I just used my last box of white. So I'll probably be buying the bamboo from here on. So yeah, that's what I got in the mail today. All right, guys, so I am going to close out the vlog here. I am going to continue to vlog up until I give birth because I don't have any like content pre-recorded or anything like that. I very seldom do pre-recorded content unless it's like a sponsored video, but like vlogs and things like that I don't tend to pre-record. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue to vlog and, you know, share with you guys day-to-day stuff. So thank you guys so much for coming along with me today. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye.